This is a big girl, 300 ton by 6 metre. It's a boat builder's dream. Comes with a bunch of tooling. At the moment it's mounted on these two concrete plinths, but obviously in the normal world it will be under the ground. It's actually remarkably quiet for such a big machine. Yeah, let's do that. Have another go. Yep, so yeah, here's that. So set to press to 90 degrees. Obviously I didn't have that quite in there straight. But you know, you probably won't come around. Something this big doesn't become available very often. It is a beautiful machine. It'll look good at your place.